Jai friends, today we are going to discuss of mathematics of class 10th, chapter 6, triangles. In this we are studying the exercise 6.4. In 6.4 we are going to study the question number 6. In our previous lecture I have explained the question number 1 to 5. Right friends, just see what is given in this question. Prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding medians. Right friends, here the triangles ABC and DEF, they both are similar triangle. In triangle ABC, AX is the median, and in DEF, DY is the median. Median means median sense that this line segment AX intersect BC at point X, which is the midpoint of BC, means BX is equals to XC. BX is equals to XC, right? And in this Y is the midpoint of EF, so that EY is equals to YF. Right friends? Okay. So now we are going to solve this question. We are going to prove that what we are going to prove and what is given the information in this question we are going to write down. So in this first given that triangle, in this we need to write down the given thing is what? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This is given. ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? And AX and DY are the medians of triangle ABC and DEF. So AX and DY, line segment AX and DY are the medians of triangles ABC and DEF, right? ABC and DEF. So we need to draw these medians. After that we are going to prove that the ratios of, to prove what you are going to prove? To prove area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equals to AX square is to DY square. This we are going to prove. The ratios of the areas, squares of their medians. Okay? Okay. Now let us start the proving this question. To prove this, we have to proof of this question. We have to start with the given information. The thing which is given, वहीं से हम start करेंगे. And given thing is, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, right? These two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, so their corresponding sides must be in ratio, right? It is given in the given information. Therefore, you can write what? You can write that AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Right friends, AB upon DE equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF. Right? What? Corresponding sides are proportional of two triangles. Corresponding sides are proportional of two similar triangles. Right? Now, as it is given, this is, so just think about BC and EF. BC and EF. You know that this X is midpoint of BC. So this BC can be written as 2 times of BX, and same as this point Y is midpoint of EF, so EF can be written as 2 times EY. Okay, so that it can be written as AB upon DE equals to twice of BX divided by twice of EY. Right? 2 is cancelled. Reason you can write down, since BC is equals to 2 times BX and EF equals to 2 times EY. Okay, so what we got, हमें क्या मिल गया अभी, AB upon DE equals to BX upon EY. This we got. हमें क्या मिल गया, AB upon DE equals to BX upon EY. Right? As अभी ये हमारा इस ट्रायंगल से बिलोंग कर रहा है, ABX and DEY. These two sides are in proportional of the triangle ABX and DEY. So as these two sides are proportional, so let us think about this angle. What can you say about this angle? Are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Why? Because they are the corresponding angles of these two similar triangles, ABC and DEF. And angle B equals to angle E. Why? Because triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, and they are corresponding angles. Now once two sides are in proportional, one angle is equal. So what can you say about this triangle? Triangle ABX and DEY. So are they similar? Okay, therefore triangle ABX is similar to triangle DEY. By which similarity criteria? By side angle side similarity. Right friends, as they are similar, so their corresponding sides must be in same ratio. It means AB upon DE equals to BX upon EY equals to AX upon DY. Right? Okay. So we can say that AB upon R, if they are similar, so we can write down that AB upon DE equals to BX upon EY equals to AX upon DY. Right? Okay. Now if you are saying that this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2, so from equation first and second, what you can say? From equation first and second, we can say that from equation first and second, we get what we will get? That AB upon D is equals to BX upon EY equals to AX upon DY, means AB upon this we are going to take only. AB upon D is equals to AX upon DY. We can say that AB upon D equals to AX upon DY. Is it? Okay, from this first and second equation. Okay, as they are equal, it means their squares must be equal. So that you can say that therefore AB square upon DE square equals to AX square upon DY square. Okay, AX square upon DY square. Say this is equation number 3rd, right? Equation number 3rd. Now, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF, so by theorem 6.6 we can write down. So you just write down, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Okay, as they are similar, so the ratios of their areas, area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF equals to AB square upon DE square, right? By theorem 6.6. Saying that the ratios of areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Now AB square is to D square is equals to AX square upon DY square. From equation 3rd, at the place of this AB square upon D square is equals to AX square upon DY square. Therefore, we can say that area of ABC is to area of DEF equals to AX square upon DY square. From equation 3, from equation 3rd. Okay, and it is proved, friends. Any problem, any confusion, you can ask the question. Okay, so as we have taken the information which was given, the given information we have started, and we came on our result as the ratios of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratios of the squares of their medians. हमने इसको प्रूव किया. Understood, friends? So let's see the question number 7. In this it is given, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of a square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral of the triangle described on one of its diagonals. Means, first of all, understand the meaning of this question. ABCD is a square. ABCD क्या है? Square है. Now, an equilateral triangle AB is this triangle is described on one of its sides AB. ये इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल किस साइड्स पर डिस्क्राइब्ड है? एक साइड AB पर, एंड दिस साइड इज ऑफ द साइड ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर. ओके, नाउ सेकंड इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ACF is an equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals of the square. Means AC described by AC. AC is the diagonal of this square, right? So let us see the proof of this question. And what we are going to prove, the given thing is given that ABCD is a square, ABCD is a square ABCD is a square and triangle AB is an equilateral triangle, is an equilateral triangle, equilateral described on side AB, equilateral described on AB, which is one side of this square ABCD, and triangle ACF is an equilateral triangle, described on AC, which is one diagonal of this square, right? What we are going to prove that? We are going to prove that area of triangle AB is to the area of triangle ACF is equals to 1/2, which is half of this. So to prove that, we are going to prove what we are going to prove. Area of triangle AB is to area of triangle ACF is equals to 1/2. This we are going to prove is equals to half 1/2. ये हम प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो आई थिंक दोस्तों आपको फिगर क्लियरली समझ में आ रहा होगा. अब हमें क्या प्रूव करना है कि ये जो ट्रायंगल इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल AB ड्रॉ किया गया है, ये एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है और ये इस साइड, इस स्क्वायर के एक साइड AB पर ड्रॉ किया गया है. और ये जो इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है ACF, ये भी एक इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, लेकिन ये इस स्क्वायर के एक डायगोनल पे ड्रॉ किया गया है. तो इन्हीं दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के एरियाज का रेशियो 1/2 हमें प्रूव करना है, विच इज 1/2. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द प्रूफ ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. इस क्वेश्चन का प्रूफ समझते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्रूफ हमें अपनी क्लास 9th पे आना होगा. वहाँ पर हमने क्या पढ़ा था? देयर वी हैव रेड दैट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम विच इज़ बेस्ड ऑन अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल ABC इज़ अ राइट ट्रायंगल एट पॉइंट B. ये एक राइट ट्रायंगल है जिसमें AC इसका हाइपोटेनस, AB एंड BC they are the sides of this square. Okay, so let us apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. So in right triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay, so we can say that AC square or AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. Is it? हम क्या कह सकते हैं? Square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. This we are not saying, Pythagoras theorem is saying. It is Pythagoras theorem. जो आप क्लास 9th में स्टेटमेंट एटलीस्ट पढ़ा है आपने. ओके, नाउ एज यू नो दैट AB इज इक्वल्स टू BC, दिस साइड इज इक्वल्स टू दिस साइड. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर द साइड्स ऑफ द स्क्वायर्स. सो यू कैन राइट इट AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC के प्लेस पे भी हम AB लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज दे बोथ आर इक्वल. वाई रीजन? सिंस BC is equals to AB. These are the sides of this square. So what we got? 2ab स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू AC स्क्वायर। हमें क्या मिल गया? 2ab स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू AC स्क्वायर। इट मीन्स इट कैन बी रिटन एज AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 1/2। से इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1। ये समझ में आया आपको? AC स्क्वायर को साइड चेंज किया तो यहाँ पे डिवाइड हुआ, एंड 2 को भी साइड चेंज किया तो वहाँ पे भी डिवाइड हुआ। हाउ? बिकॉज दिस AC स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज AC स्क्वायर इंटू 1, दिस 1। ये बहुत से बच्चों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा, तो ये 1 हमने लिख दिया, बिकॉज 1 कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड इन एनी ऑफ द नंबर्स। ओके, नाउ अभी हमको क्या मिल गया? AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 1/2। ओके, अभी आपको क्या पता है कि ये दोनों ट्रायंगल्स कौन से? ट्रायंगल AB एंड ACF, दे बोथ आर equilateral triangle, and in the concept of equilateral triangle, in the concept of similarity, you have read that all equilateral triangles are similar. आपने क्या पढ़ा है कि सभी equilateral triangles क्या होते हैं? Similar होते हैं। Okay, so let us apply this. So since triangle ABE is similar to triangle ACF. Why? Because they are equilateral triangle. कैसे ट्रायंगल हैं? इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल हैं। That's why ये इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल हैं, इसीलिए ये दोनों क्या हैं? सिमिलर हैं, क्योंकि ऑल इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर, all circles are similar, all squares are similar. This you have read in the introductory part of this similarity of triangles chapter. Okay, as they are similar, so the ratio of their areas is equals to, so therefore area of triangle AB is to area of triangle ACF equals to what? AB square upon AC square by theorem 6.6. Theorem 6.6. Theorem 6.6 क्या कहते हैं? The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides, right? और अभी हमारे पास फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू क्या है? 1/2। सो देयरफॉर एट द प्लेस ऑफ दिस वी कैन राइट सो दैट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल AB इज टू एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ACF equals to 1/2 from equation 1. Okay, and dear students, it is proved now, hence proved. Any confusion? So you can ask the question. It was very easy. पहले हमने क्या किया? ट्रायंगल ABC में पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई किया, बिकॉज इट वाज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल। ओके, अप्लाई करने के बाद वी गॉट द रिजल्ट AB स्क्वायर अपॉन AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 1/2. Okay, after getting this result equation 1, we have taken the condition of similarity and applied the theorem 6.6. Okay, so we got area of triangle AB, which is equilateral triangle described on one side of the square, is to the area of triangle ACF, which is an equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonals. Okay, is equals to 1/2, जो कि हमें प्रूव करना था। राइट फ्रेंड्स, सो दोस्तों, आपको प्रूव करने में थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्टी तो ज़रूर फील होती होगी, लेकिन उसको समझने के लिए आपको प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस का करते रहिए, जो डिफ़िकल्टी है क्वेश्चन एराइज करते रहिए, जिससे हम आपके डाउट्स को क्लियर करते रहें। राइट, एंड सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. ABC and BDE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of side BC of triangle ABC. Okay, so you are going to find out the ratio of the areas of triangle ABC and BD. दोनों ट्रायंगल इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, तो दोनों ट्रायंगल इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, इट मीन्स द रेशियोज ऑफ देयर एरियाज is equals to the ratios of the squares of their corresponding sides. Understood? Because they are the similar also. Okay, now since D is midpoint of BC, so let's see the solution of this. Which option? It is optional question. A, B, C, R, D is right. Solution देखते हैं, फिर finalize करते हैं कौन सा solution इसका सही होगा. Okay, so since D is midpoint of BC, it means BD is equals to DC and they are equals to half of BC. They are equals to half of BC. या फिर इसको आप क्या कह सकते हो? You can say that BC is equals to 2 times BD. 2 times BD. ये कह सकते हैं. Say this is equation number 1. Right? Now, since triangle ABC and BD, they both are equilateral triangles. Since triangle ABC and triangle BDE are equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles. Okay, as they both are equilateral triangles, so you know that all the equilateral triangles are similar. So you can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDE, right? Why? All equilateral triangles are similar. Triangles are similar. Okay, now they are similar, therefore areas of triangle ABC is to area of triangle BDE equals to the squares of their corresponding sides, means AB square upon BD square upon BD square, right? Okay, now this AB can be written as BC square, so we can write here BC square also, because AB is equals to BC is equals to AC, right? All the sides are equal, so we have written BC square upon BD square. Now BC is equals to 2BD from equation first. So it is 2BD whole square upon BD square. Okay, square करते हैं 4BD square upon BD square. BD square is cancelled. So your result is 4:1. So which option is right? 4:1 means C option is your right answer of this question. Means area of this triangle is 4 times bigger than area of this triangle. Understood? concept समझ में आया? ये ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चन था, आपको सिर्फ ऑप्शंस बताने थे कौन से ऑप्शन राइट हैं. सो बाय द सॉल्यूशन you got that our C option is the right one. Okay, see the last sum of this exercise 6.4, question number 9. It is also an optional question. Question is, sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 4:9. Means the ratio of their corresponding sides of two similar triangle is 4:9. Area of these triangles are in the ratio, options are 2:3, 4:9, 81:16 or 61:81. So which option is right? Let us check, see the solution, accordingly we have to give the answer. Okay, so as two triangles are given, so let the two triangles are triangle ABC and triangle DEF, and they both are similar to each other. Okay, see the solution of this sum. Let triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. If they are similar and given that the ratio of the sides of two triangles are 4:9, it means therefore AB upon DE is equals to BC upon EF equals to AC upon DF, and they are equals to 4:9. This is given in the question. Say it is equation number 1. Okay. Now we are going to find out areas of the triangles are in the ratio, means ratios of their areas. So therefore areas of this triangle, ratios of area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF, and by theorem 6.6 we know that it is equals to AB square upon D square by theorem 6.6. So this can be written as AB upon D whole square, and AB upon D is equals to 4/9. So therefore 4/9 square. So you will get 16/81. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 9 is 81. So our answer is 16:81. Which option is right? D option is right. Got the answer, friends? So dear, you all have take the well practice of this exercise so that it will be easy to solve the questions. Understood? So from next session we will start the very important topic, which is Pythagoras theorem. Please and please don't miss